You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? Well, there isn't one correct and one single pronunciation for it. It can be said as Amias, Amias. Some say it also as Amias, Amias. It can also be pronounced as Amias, or Amias, or Amias, depending on the origin, the language of the person. And now you know, or maybe you don't, but yeah, that's the way it is. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.